Can you really learn English by yourself from absolute zero without a teacher, without joining an expensive coaching institute, and still become a confident English speaker? If your answer is I don't think it's possible, then don't skip this video, because today I am going to tell you the truth. Not fake motivation, not unrealistic promises, but a practical roadmap that thousands of self-learners have followed to become fluent in English. And by the end of this video, you all know exactly how to start your English journey, even if you don't know a single sentence today. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Prerna, and on this channel we learn English in the simplest and smartest way. Today we are answering one of the biggest questions beginners ask. Can I learn English completely by myself? The short answer is yes, absolutely yes. But only if you stop learning English the wrong way. Let's understand why. Why most people never become fluent. Most people think they need a famous teacher, 50,000 coaching course, or perfect grammar before speaking. That's the biggest myth. The real reason people don't improve isn't because they don't have a teacher. है ना? It's because they don't practice consistently. But they think about it. If you watch one English video today, skip practice for 3 days, memorize 100 difficult words, but never use them, will your English improve? Of course not. English is not a subject. It's a skill. And skills improve only through daily practice. Just like cycling, swimming, or driving, and no one becomes a good driver just by reading a driving book. You become better by driving every day. English works exactly the same way. What you really need? Instead of expensive coachings, you only need 5 things. Number 1, daily listening. Listen to English every day. Every day. Even if you understand only 20%, your brain slowly gets used to English sounds. Start with slow English videos, shorts videos, podcasts, children's cartoons, and don't worry about understanding everything. Just keep listening, only listening. Number 2, स्पीकिंग एवरी डे. रोज बोलो. डोंट वेट फॉर अ पार्टनर. आपके पास कोई नहीं है, अकेले बोलो. स्पीक अलोन. डिस्क्राइब योर रूम, डिस्क्राइब योर होल डे, व्हाट यू डू इन योर डे. टॉक टू योर सेल्फ इन इंग्लिश. एंड द गोल इजंट परफेक्ट इंग्लिश. द गोल इज ओपनिंग योर माउथ एवरी डे. बोलो. बोलने से ही होगा. कॉन्फिडेंस कम्स फ्रॉम स्पीकिंग. जब तक आप बोलोगे नहीं, आपके अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आएगा. नॉट फ्रॉम थिंकिंग. लर्न यूजफुल सेंटेंसेज. डोंट मेमोराइज थाउजेंड्स ऑफ डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स. मुझे ये भी करना है, मुझे वो भी करना है. नो. इंस्टेड लर्न सेंटेंसेज यू कैन एक्चुअली यूज, जो आप डेली यूज में कर सकते हो यूज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम गेटिंग रेडी. आई विल कॉल यू लेटर. दैट साउंड इंटरेस्टिंग. आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. Real conversation are built using simple sentences, not difficult vocabulary. Okay? And read daily. Read. Daily पढ़ो, कुछ भी पढ़ो. Something every day. I can be a news, a newspaper, articles, novels, everything. Instagram captions, subtitles, readings, and improve your vocabulary naturally. And repeat out loud. This is called shadowing. Listen, pause, repeat exactly like the speaker. जैसे वो लोग बोलते हैं. Copy their pronunciation, their rhythm, their expressions. This single habit can completely change your spoken English. And what you don't need? You don't need perfect grammar before speaking. ये बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है. हम लोग ग्रामर के पीछे पड़े रहते हैं. You don't need a foreign accent. You don't need expensive coachings. And you definitely don't need to wait for Monday or next month or next year. because the perfect time never comes. Start with what you have. आज से start करो, अभी से करो. If you know only 10 words, use those 10 words. Tomorrow learn 10 more. Remember, small progress every day beats big plans that never become. Okay? And a simple 30-minute daily plan. If you are wondering what should I do every day, here's a simple routine. आप जो भी करते हो, जो भी. First, listen to English for 10 minutes. Second, speak for 10 minutes. ये आपका 30 minutes का routine बनेगा. Talk about your day, your family, your plans, anything. And third, read for 5 minutes finally. आप कुछ भी पढ़ सकते हो. And repeat 5 useful sentences loudly. That's it's only 30 minutes every day. Do this consistently for 3 months. Okay? फिर आपको result दिखेगा. You will notice a huge difference in your confidence. Not because of magic, but because of consistency and practice. Okay? So, can you really learn English by yourself? Absolutely. But remember this. Learning alone doesn't mean learning randomly. Follow the right method. Practice every day, single day. Make mistakes. Keep speaking and trust the process. One day you all realize the English that once scared you have become your strength. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment below. I can learn English because today is the day your English journey begins. Bye bye.